Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw Matic or Polygon from Crypto.com to Metamask the easiest way possible. Now, the first thing you have to do is obviously you have to buy some Polygon, right? Let's say you bought the Polygon. We can go here to the middle button and go to Crypto Wallet. And then here you can also buy and then buy some Polygon, or you can transfer the Polygon and click withdraw and make sure it's external wallet. Now here on external wallet, make sure to go to plus sign here, go to wallet address, and then here you will be able to select the coin that we want to withdraw. Now for the example of this tutorial, we're going to withdrawing Polygon, right? Which is going to be Matic, right? So go here to Matic, click on that, and here we can search and click on Polygon network. Now here where it says Matic wallet address Polygon, make sure to go and add Polygon mainnet network on your Metamask. Then once you added it, copy, and then you can copy the address from Matic and then paste it right here. And make sure that the wallet name is Polygon/Metamask or something like that, so you know that this is the wallet name or wallet address for Polygon. Now once you have these two things right here, what you can do is you can go and click continue. You will go through the authentication process from Crypto.com. Obviously, you will need two-factor authentication and all that. And then you will be successfully withdrawing Matic or Polygon from Crypto.com to your Metamask. So that's pretty much how to do it. The simplest and easiest way. If you have any questions, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.